Wow. Damn, this is such a waste. I wonder if the owner is still around.
Okay, so the owner agrees that we can have the car.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Shall we review it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Damn.
Bro,
Yeah, bro.
it's been 3 hours since we walked, man.
I know.
What the hell?
Yeah, I know. Just a few more miles.
Miles?
Yeah.
What miles?
Miles. Sorry, kilometers.
Walao eh.
Kilometers. Huh.
Push. Next time I'm bringing food with me.
Okay, yeah, bring a Snickers bar for the both of us. Oh wow, that's a bunch of cars up there.
It looks like a workshop. They might have a chef here, you know?
Yeah, maybe. In your world.
Yeah.
Hey, what's that?
Oh, looks like a Porsche.
No.
Yeah.
Damn, that is a Porsche. In 1976, Porsche decided to launch the 924, which we're about to see here in all its splendor, taken by nature and not moved for the past 10 years, give or take. Let's have a look. When they designed this beautiful creature, it had the drag coefficient of 0.45, which was remarkable at the time. And first and foremost, it is a Porsche. So there is racing heritage, there is race pedigree within its chassis, within its whatever left suspension that is. There is still a soul in the old girl. So without further ado, let's look under the hood. So the bonnet doesn't hold up on its own, so what we're going to do is, I found a stick lying around on the side. Let's use that and view the engine. Alright, wow, that's a lot of rust. The fuel divider is probably clogged up. It has roughly about 180 to 215 horses, give or take a horse or 10. So what we're going to do, damn, there's a lot of flies up here. What we're going to do is get it running. But right now in this current state, I don't advise trying to start it. I do not advise trying to gather it to life or muster it back to life, because we got to turn over the engine to see whether it's actually turning. That's one. Then we got to put in a new battery in there. We got to check if it has spark, if it has fuel, then new plugs, fogging oil. For men, of course, it goes into the combustion chamber through the plug socket. So the pistons have a little bit of play in them, so they're not too stiff, because right now it's probably been sitting for more than 5 years. So there's a lot that hasn't moved, which should be moving every day, but what to do? So right now in this current state, fuel divider has to come apart, brakes need to be bled. That servo, come and take a look at that servo with me right now. That servo has seen better days than right now. That is completely and utterly mucked. It's gone. Rosa. Next, timing belt. Oh, okay, covers are all exposed. We got to find the covers, tensioners, bearings. Fuel divider has to be serviced. Need to get, oh, one thing good is we have steel braided lines, which are not original. They are an aftermarket performance upgrade, if you will, that, you know, doesn't expand. It lasts for a lifetime and no issues there whatsoever. Ignition system, timing belts, alternator probably needs a refurb. Chassis, we gotta look at the chassis, jack it up, see how's that. Front suspension, rear suspension. Ooh, that's a lot of time, effort. Oh, what do we know? We still have the sticker. Come and have a look. You still have the tire pressures, you still have the Reifendrosten, normal. What does that mean? And we have front, Wand, anti. Oh, okay, this is probably the tire pressure. We got 29 psi at the rear, which is okay, not too bad. One thing's for sure is that we are definitely going to get this car up and running for one mission, to drive it up north. How far north? Well, let's just put it this way. As far north as we can get until the old girl starts to cry. Until next time, like, subscribe, share, and wait. The next episode is going to be good, real good. Oh,